What's up, y'all? What's up? So we got a Ford V8 7.3 f750. Okay, and what the problem we're having is a misfire on cylinder 3. Misfire on cylinder 3. This is gonna be right here, number 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm correct, I believe I am on Ford. Anyway, so what I already did is pull the plug, which if you look, you know, in my experience, that's a good plug. Okay, that plug looks like it's burning good. The plug looks good on the end of it. But what I am seeing right here in the plug wire, if you can see, this one's from number 2. Look how clean it is. And look at plug wire number 3. Let's try to get the light holding it. Anyways, I'm sure you can see the difference. It's all black and burnt in there. So what we're gonna do is switch number 2 to number 3 and see if the misfire follows. If the misfire follows, then we know 100% for certain that that is the issue. Because it's pretty dark and burnt in there. It looks burnt up compared to that and that. Alright? So we're gonna put this plug wire on number 3. Move this one to number 2 and see if that'll get a follow code from 3 to 2 misfire, and then we'll go from there. I'll let you guys know what happens. Alright, y'all, so we got the truck fired up. Obviously, I don't know why there's no check engine light right now when I was just working on it and there was a check engine light. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here and we're gonna check out, oh, I clicked the wrong one. We're gonna check out what's going on in here. And we're gonna see if I can see a pending code for number 3. Okay, right now there's no codes. Read codes. Pending code for cylinder 3. And there's a permanent cylinder 3 code. I got the laptop with me, so I'll get that taken care of. So for right now, since I switched plug wire from 3 to 2, we're gonna go ahead and erase the code so the pending code will go away. And we're gonna see if I can get it to follow over to number 2. Go back and read again, make sure there's no pending codes, see permanent code. So we're gonna have to go in and delete that. Once I figure this out, I can kind of feel the truck shaking a little bit like it has a misfire. So we're gonna let it run for a little bit, might take it on test drive, and then we'll get to the bottom of it and I'll let you guys know what happens. All right, y'all. So we back with the truck. We have a brand new set of plug wires right here. Remember that plug wire I showed you, and remember how I showed you it was cylinder 3. Look at that, cylinder 2 misfire. And now since I moved it away, the stored code went away. The permanent code's gone since I moved the plug wire from 3 to number 2. So now that is just a verification that that plug wire was absolutely defective, bad, burnt, worn out, whatever you want to call it. So now we're gonna pop on a whole new set of plug wires. No sense in just changing one, and we know that the problem's going to be completely solved. We're gonna hop on that right now. I'll even show you how to do it real quick. All right, y'all, so you're gonna climb up on the truck, obviously, and since we know now that number 3 was the bad one, now number 2 is the one showing the misfire, since we changed this plug wire from here, put it here, and vice versa. Now we have verified that that's the problem, and these are angled, so try not to burn yourself down there on that hot exhaust. But don't just pull straight on these 750s, they're at an angle. So pull them out, pull that one off. Normally on an old school, I would say one at a time, just so you don't get confused. But on this, we're gonna do them one at a time anyways. And that exhaust is a bit tasty and warm down there. Trying to get my fingers in there. Trying to just hook this on. Maybe. Yeah, if the header wasn't so warm, it'd be a lot easier to figure out which direction to go. Them new cars got to do everything. Make it so difficult. Just figure out where it's at. Okay, it's right there. So yeah, you're just gonna reach in there. Try to line up the tip of that. Trying to get it lined up on the plug. It's a little ornery. Pretty sure that's on the plug right there. Guess we'll find out, won't we? Well, pretty much that's what you're gonna do. That 8 times across all of them. Just pop them off. I'm gonna go ahead and do this with 2 hands. That way I can get her done. And that's how you fix that right there. And that's the easiest way to diagnose and double check your scanner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.